Hey guys, welcome back to UpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you, or be discussing with you, how to set up Amazon Watch Party. But first, check your special offer in the description. So, let's get started. So, the first thing that you want to do here is you want to ask your family members or even your friends to basically access their Amazon account. So, go to Amazon.com and just log in. Now, from here, you want to go ahead and click on the option that says Amazon Prime Video or Prime Video. Now, once you are in here, you want to go and look for the TV show or movie that you may want to watch. Now, in this case, you want to go and select that specific series or movie, depends totally on what you want to watch. And in here, you should be able to see the option that allows you to initiate a watch party. Now, if you are watching an episode or if you want to watch a specific episode, well, or if you're watching a specific series, you want to go open up the episode first. And this should give you the option to basically try watch party. So does it actually look like? Now, this is what it's going to look like. Now, from here, just click on the watch party option, and this will redirect you to another page. Now, on the next page here, it will ask you to enter a name that you want to use. So go ahead and just enter the name that you want to use on your watch party here, and click on the create watch party. Now, from then on, you should see the settings here, and you should see the link. Like, you go and click on the copy link button that you should see on your screen, and you can go and just share this to your friends, your family members, and they just need to access the actual link. Now, from then on, everyone can watch together if you want, and also this is only available on your web browser, so make sure that everyone is using their web browsers. Now, from here on, if you want to end your watch party, just click on end watch party, and that's about it. So, if you found this video helpful, hit the like and subscribe button, and watch our next video.